Hello everyone and welcome back to today's Morning Report chart appraisals on Thursday the 15th of September with me, Richard Pro-Market Analyst at Ant Markets. The cable chart is an interesting chart because it has been dropping in the past week or so. Sterling has been sliding as the dollar has been strengthening. It's left a couple of lower highs. You've got that sort of resistance that came in place at 34.45, and there's a lower high at 100 pips below that at 33.45. And it seems as though sterling is certainly in this corrective move. Look at those stochastics, which are consistently falling, despite the fact that we had that rally yesterday. It's consistently in decline, and the RSI is sort of dropping back as well. And I think, just generally speaking, it is still corrective within this range. I think that the range could well be gravitating towards 30.60 generally, because that is a pivot line within the range. I think we could see that. At the moment, sterling is being sold into on rallies, and you can see this on this downtrend here that we've got on the hourly chart. Yesterday's rally high was 32.80 area. Today we've seen a bit of a jump on the back of the fact that we just had out the UK retail sales data. Again, strong numbers from the UK. Where is Brexit? Where is the impact of Brexit? Nothing really being seen at the moment. In fact, it's being a positive because you're seeing retail sales being pushed strongly higher. You saw July market numbers, July numbers being revised higher. Very slight decline by 0.3 on the month for August, but again, strong numbers for August. So really positive looking moves really on this data, and sterling has jumped on the back of it. Will it mean that sterling starts to go on a tear on the upside? I don't necessarily think it will. If you certainly look at the technicals, then you'd say that we are still in this sort of downward phase, and rallies are being seen as a chance to sell. So you've got the support that came in at about 32 big figure just in the last sort of hour or so, and that is your initial support. But I would say that if that goes, then I think you could well be coming back towards a test of once again 31.36. You could argue that 31.60 is still in play as a pivot. That got broken yesterday briefly, but generally speaking that has been pivotal, so that could well be and also a bit of a support. But look at these MACD lines on the hourly having crossed lower. Stochastics are still falling despite the fact that we've got this rally, so I think rallies should still be seen on sterling as a chance to sell. I think you're going to get further pressure to the downside and probably a move back towards 30.60 if this sort of general sort of dollar just drifting strength continues, and sterling seems to be under a bit of pressure across the majors, so that would be dragging cable lower. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.